Hello, everybody. As you can tell, I'm not here today. So this is what we're going to be doing with your lit groups. You're going to go through everybody's job for meeting number 2. So if you're the discussion director, you're going to talk about your questions. If you're the super summarizer, you are going to summarize the part of the book you read. Skilled sketcher will share their picture. Word wizard will share their vocab words they found, and then the skills and strategy person will find the skills and strategies that they did and share them with the group. Captains, just highlight or write down who did their homework and who did not, and I will catch up with you guys when I get back. Once you get through all your things, make sure that you have the meeting number 3 jobs filled out. So know who's your discussion director, your summarizer, your sketcher, word wizard, and skills and strategy person. Remember, you can't do the same job twice, so you'll be picking a different job. And then make sure you know how many pages or what page number you're going to read to for our meeting next Thursday. After that, once you have that filled out, go ahead and you may start reading your pages for next week.